Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Devonshoe. And listen up, because today we're talking about something really important, traveling on a budget. We all want to explore the world, experience new cultures, right? But let's be real, traveling can get crazy expensive. I've been there, trust me. That's why I'm breaking down how to travel on a budget in destination. One of the most incredible places I've ever been. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you save money and make the most of your adventure. We're going to dive deep into everything from finding the best deals to eating like a king without emptying your wallet. Stick around! First things first, forget those overpriced hotels. You can find amazing places to stay in destination that won't break the bank. Hostels are a classic budget traveler's haven. You meet awesome people from all over the world, and they often have kitchens where you can cook your own meals. Another game changer is Airbnb. You can find some seriously cool and affordable apartments, rooms, or even entire houses for rent. Plus, having a kitchen means you can whip up some local dishes and save even more money. Pro tip: look for places a bit outside of the main tourist zones. You'll be surprised by how much you can save. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not try couch surfing? It's a great way to meet locals and experience the city from their perspective. Remember, it's not just about where you sleep, it's about the experiences you have. Okay, let's talk transportation. Taxis? Forget about it. Destination has an awesome public transportation system that's super affordable and efficient. Grab yourself a Metro card or a bus pass and you'll be good to go. But you know me, I love to explore a city on foot. Seriously, you discover so much more when you're walking around. Plus, it's free. Get those steps in and soak up the atmosphere. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, rent a bike. Many cities have bike-sharing programs that are super cheap, and you can cruise around like a local. Just imagine yourself winding your hair, exploring the streets of destination on 2 wheels. Chapter 3. Free fun activities that won't cost you a dime in destination. Now for the fun part, activities. You'd be surprised by how many amazing things you can do in destination for free. Parks, gardens, museums with free admission days. There's something for everyone. Get lost in the city's history and culture by exploring its historic neighborhoods. You know, wander down those charming streets, stumble upon hidden gems, and soak up the local vibes. And don't forget about those free walking tours. They're a fantastic way to see the city, learn about its history, and maybe even get some insider tips from locals. Remember, the best things in life are free, especially in destination. Chapter 4. Eat like a local, spend like a boss food. Hacks for destination. All right, let's talk food. You can't travel without experiencing the local cuisine, right? But eating out for every meal can drain your budget fast. That's why I'm going to let you in on a little secret street food. Destination is a street food paradise, and it's way cheaper than fancy restaurants. From savory snacks to sweet treats, you'll find something to satisfy your taste buds without emptying your wallet. Another pro tip, hit up the local markets. You can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and even ready-to-eat meals at a fraction of the cost of restaurants. Plus, it's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Chapter 5. Score those deals. Travel hacks for destination. Now, let's talk about how to find the best deals on flights, accommodation, and activities. First off, be flexible with your travel dates. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season can save you a ton of money. Next up, sign up for those travel newsletters and price alerts. They're like your secret weapon for finding amazing deals. Websites and apps like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak are your best friends when it comes to finding cheap flights. And don't forget about those city tourist cards. They often offer discounts on attractions, transportation, and even restaurants. Remember, a little bit of research and planning can go a long way in saving you money. Outro, you got this. Now go explore destination. And there you have it, my friends. Now you're armed with the knowledge and the tools to experience the incredible destination on a budget. Remember, traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, creativity, and maybe a few sacrifices, you can have an unforgettable adventure without emptying your wallet. So get out there, explore, try new things, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and vlogs, and share it with your friends who are ready to conquer the world on a budget. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you enjoy your trip to a destination without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel tips and guides.